In this video, I will show you how to remove extensions on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to remove extensions on Google Chrome, maybe you no longer use the extension or it's interfering with something you're trying to do on Chrome. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a Google Chrome browser. Then if you come up to the top right hand corner, what you want to do is click onto the three dots up here, and on this menu that comes up, come and hover over extensions. Now on this sub menu, you're going to see an option which says manage extensions. Give that a click, and it's going to take you to a page like this where you can see all your installed extensions. To remove an extension, all you need to do is simply locate the extension you want to remove. Let's take this one as an example. On each extension, you're going to see a remove button. So all you need to do is simply give that a click. Then it's going to come up with a pop-up asking if you want to remove this extension. Just click onto remove, and as you can see, that's going to go ahead and remove the extension. So that's how to remove extensions on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.